We're here in Las Vegas at the SEMA show, and I've got MaxTrac Bob here to tell us a little bit more about, it's like the initials of SEMA this year, JL. Tell us about the JL, buddy.
That is it. The JL's been the big deal here at the show this year. Everybody seems to have a kit here and have all these aftermarket accessories for the JL, and we wanted to come up with something that was great that everybody would want to use on the JL.
Bob, tell us about some of the JL stuff you got for us.
Well, we came out with a 3-inch JL lift kit. It's a complete spring lift kit. There's some kits out there that are coil spring spacers. We wanted to go with a complete spring kit. It makes it work better, more articulation, better riding, better everything. So what we've done is we've gone with a 3-inch dual rate spring front and rear. The reason why we did the dual rate spring is you can get more articulation out of it. There is a couple different ways of doing it. There's a linear rate spring and there's a dual rate spring. The linear rate spring is a shorter spring. It doesn't give you as much articulation. It's more for the on-road than the off-road. We wanted something that's going to be able to handle on-road and off-road very well. So we went to the dual rate springs. We have complete arm kits. We have front lower arms, upper arms, complete set of 8 arms. So we have the 1 3/4, 5/16 DOM tubing with spherical rod ends on one end, and then the factory rubber bushing on the other. And the reason why we did the factory rubber bushing is keep the noise down. A lot of people, they'll put something else on there. They'll put a polyurethane bushing or another spherical rod end on there, and it keeps that, and it's a little noisy. So what we wanted to do is keep the noise down, so we went with the factory rubber bushing on one end. And then the spherical rod end, well, that gives you all your articulation. So, and it's completely adjustable. So you can go ahead and adjust your caster the way you want and how you want the vehicle to feel. Other things that we did with it, obviously you have to do brake line extensions, bump stop extensions. You have to do everything that's going to make it a complete kit. There's a lot of companies out there, they'll do little things and they won't finish it off. So we wanted to finish it off and make this kit very complete. So this is what we came out with. It was a 3-inch kit. It works out fantastic. Great off-road, great on-road, great everywhere.
What does the kit retail for?
The kit retails for, with our MaxTrac shocks, at $799.95. It's made just for this Jeep JL.
Now, what kind of warranty do you guys carry?
We carry a limited lifetime warranty on all of our products, and that's, for anything that happens to those products, we're going to cover it.
So you guys are based out of Anaheim. Where are you manufactured?
We manufacture most everything right in-house. We want to make sure that the products are built, and the only way you can have the products built right is to do it yourself. Now, one thing that we can't do ourselves is coil springs. Now, the coil springs are made in South Carolina. They are also a USA-made coil. A lot of companies go overseas for the coils. We don't. We get them all in USA. Our powder coating's done locally. Our laser cutting's done locally. Everything's done right in our local area. It keeps the people in our area employed.
Bob, thanks so much for taking us through the JL and all you've done to it. Super cool stuff. I can't wait to see it getting dirty. And you guys, check out MaxTracSuspension.com. It's just that simple for all your suspension needs. And stay tuned, we got more videos coming up.